Hello, friends. It's Thanksgiving time. It's a pumpkin pie time. Today, I'll teach you how to make most delicious and beautiful pumpkin pie. Here I have 3 cups baked pumpkin. You could use canned pumpkin, but the taste won't be the same. To that, I added cinnamon, cloves, nutmeg, ginger, allspices, and white pepper. You have everything listed in the recipe. Then add half a cup heavy cream and 3 eggs and combine. And don't forget the sugar, 3/4 a cup sugar. I prepared the pie crust ahead of time. I baked the crust for 15 minutes at 350, and now I'm going to transfer everything into the pie. After you do that, bake at 350 for about 45 to 50 minutes. After 15 minutes, I covered the pie because the crust starts to burn. I covered the pie with this aluminum foil, but do not use aluminum foil. I made this video a long time ago. Instead, use, they call them pie crust shield. Find one stainless steel or carbon steel. After it's completely cooled down, decorate with these sweet potato roses. I'll teach you in my next video how to make these roses. They are beautiful. And don't forget to share, like, subscribe, write a comment, and hit the notification bell. And thank you for watching.